Hello everyone, good morning. So it's currently 9:25 and right now I'm reading about your work. So I'm about 360 pages in and I'm really enjoying it so far. I've been introduced to the character Bryn and her journey, and yeah, I'm really liking it. Hello everyone, I just got home and before I let myself relax, I wanted to make a bit more progress on our capstone proposal. So right now I'm just going through our draft, annotating some section and then leaving some comments and just making sure that everything is ready before our next revision. And this is one of the tasks that can end up taking much more time than expected, especially when you're having to write and revise for hours, and that is why I really enjoyed using my Paperlike. And I know that I've shared it with you before, but since I do spend a lot of my time annotating PDFs and then taking notes. And working through a document like this, having a screen that feels more like writing on paper instead of just glass makes the whole experience a lot more comfortable. And what I also like and really appreciate is that it gives my Apple Pencil a little bit more grip and control, which I really noticed during longer study sessions, especially like this. So whether I'm reviewing our lecture notes, marking up our capstone, and just doing some journaling, Paperlike has always been a part of my setup. Anyway, so I hope that we get to finish this proposal soon, so I better get back to annotating. Sakto lang isa.
Medyo na foreground yung mga kailangan mo yung opacity, lagyan mo ng